also building a playlist, so can you name a song that you've had on repeat?
I've been listening to Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears a lot recently. That's such a beautiful song.
Always have Justin Bieber Hold On repeat. And it's also because my girl Christine Coe was the lead in the music video.
I need you to hold on. Heaven is a place not too far.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the, yeah. Why am I forgetting it? But yes, Beyonce, all the way on repeat.
Don't Hurt Yourself by Beyonce, Lemonade.
Who the fuck do you think I am? You ain't married to no average bitch boy.
Love like angry, the sound of angry women.